Hi everybody, it's Mary from Phoenix, Arizona. I'm here to talk to you about business and specifically network marketing. And the reason why I love network marketing is because it's so easy and you can make very good income very quickly. I just want to let you know that I was involved in my own business. So if you're looking to open up a brick and mortar business, a McDonald's, a boutique, I will tell you that it's not easy. Number one, you have to come up with a lot of capital. And number two, you're putting in a lot of time and effort. And number three, you probably are not going to make a profit for a year or so. Some will, some won't. But we did not for the first year and a half. So you're working for nothing. And with a lot of businesses as well, you have a lot of regulations. And when we had our salon and spa, when we had our state came after us after a little bit because they didn't believe in tanning. So we got notices that we were going to be charged a 10% tanning tax. So this is something we had no control over. It's like, okay, this is the state, they're imposing a tax on us and we had to pay it. We did get out of that business and obviously moved on. There were other issues as well, other things that came into play, the reason why we decided to move on with that business. Anyway, as far as network marketing, there's a lot of companies out there, and there's a lot of companies that are good, a lot of companies that are okay. And I think what some of them do is they get you where you just loving the product. And I'm talking about some weight loss products and things of that nature where they get you where you absolutely love the product and you don't really look into the compensation plan. And I was one of them. I'm one of them that was stooped. And I say that because I put a lot of work and effort into that particular business and I wasn't making any money. And the reason being, number one, the compensation plan was 10% here, 10% on first level, 10% on second level. And if you bring people in and you have to do, say, $400 to meet your first level, you're basically only making, 10% of that $400. And you've been working your butt off. You might be, they'll give you some bonuses, but in the long run, even if you make the bonus, and if people leave the business, even though you're telling them that trying to duplicate the same thing, if those practices aren't working, then they're eventually going to leave. And they're not making a lot of money to make that business profitable, with 10%. So the reason why I'm making this video is there are companies out there that you can promote that make a lot more commission. The one that I'm presently with now, and I'm with a couple, is a digital product that I resell, I buy and resell, and it is for people who are in network marketing that don't have a clue where to go. They don't have a clue how to bring people to their website page. They don't have a clue how to brand themselves, and these are all really important aspects of your business. You can come in as low as $25. You're not going to get a lot of content, but for someone that's brand new for online business, you're going to get a lot of content to help you get to the next level, which would be the $100 level. So you can, purchase the 25, when you're ready, purchase the 100 and the 250 and then the 500 and then the 1,000. I actually came in at the $1,000 level, and I'm earning as I'm learning. And a lot of the things that I'm learning with some of the modules, and these are modules and digital products from people in the industry that have been in the industry, successful people that have been in the industry for years and years and years. So I want to learn from someone like that. I want to learn from someone that's made it. So basically, you come in at that level, and if you sell it to someone else, you're getting 100% commission. At the $1,000 level, if someone comes in at any of the other lower levels, I am getting also 100% on those. With the $1,000 level, I have to pass up one, which is no big deal. So if you're going to be involved in something, be involved in something that you're going to make some money. Don't be involved in something where you're working your butt off and you're just not making those kind of commissions where you can leverage yourself to move forward. Anyway, if you want to get any more information, my information is below. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and if anything, if I can help you with anything, whether it's for my business or not, PM me and I'll be glad to get back in touch with you. But I wish you all well. I hope you're all doing great. And if I can be of service to any of you, please let me know. Network marketing is here to stay, and you can make some really great money if you come into the right company. Have a great day, folks. I will talk to you later to the next video.